To install additional leak detectors at your location, activate it by using the included activation tool or a damp paper towel on its top sensor. The leak detector's LED will start to flash. Allow a few seconds for it to communicate with the gateway. The leak detector will beep twice and then the LED will turn off. This indicates that the leak detector has been connected. If the leak detector does not beep and the LEDs do not turn off within 5 minutes, it will go to sleep without connecting. Wake the device again to trigger a new connection attempt. Then on the GPS dashboard, click the Manage tab in the upper right-hand corner of the page, navigate to your property, and click on Menu, then Add Device. Scan the QR code on the leak detector label and provide the appropriate information. You can select any arbitrary option for device use. Click on Add Device once done. On the next screen, you can turn on any alerts that have been set up for the device by default and then click on Done. You will be redirected to the Devices page. After a few moments, refresh the page and verify device connectivity as indicated by the green check marks. Finally, place the leak detector in the desired location.